Hello, boys and girls. I want to go over a song that has a half note in it, quarter rest, two eighth notes beamed together, and quarter note. As you know, the half note lasts for two beats if the quarter note gets the beat. And let's take a look here. And before we go any farther, let's just read what they have here. A pentatonic song. Penta means five. Tonic means tones or pitches. Pentatonic songs have five tones or pitches. Now, does that mean they only have five tones and no more than five, like do, re, mi, sol, la, and that's the end of the song? No, it's the song is made up of those five pitches. Okay, so do, re, mi, sol, la, and that's the pentatonic scale. You can add the octave, right? Jazz players like to play the pentatonic scale. Bluegrass players like the pentatonic scale. All musicians like the pentatonic scale. Well, anyways, let's go on here. Sign up and down the pentatonic ladder. Say this pattern with the song. Okay. Well, here we have the rhythm that I wanted to go over today, and it's right here in the top of this page. And here we have the half notes, two eighth notes beamed together, and the quarter note, and then the half rest, or rather the whole half note. Well, okay, in this arrangement, they don't have the quarter rest, so there's no quarter rest. Okay, so let's see here. If I can find. No, I cannot find. Yes, I can find. All right. Okay, so here we have the time signature. The other name for time signature is meter signature because you're measuring. You're measuring time. So meter. Oh, and I'm writing with my left hand. This is a R. Or meter signature, or of course, time signature. Sig. Well, that looks like a 5. Sig. Na. Chur. T. U. R. E. Time signature or meter signature. Okay, so here we have the beat bars. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, why am I counting it like that? Because there's two beats in each measure because the top number here is 2. Can we see that? Let's make that bigger. And of course, it's 2 over a quarter note. Now, what's the other way? The right, or the more common way is 2, 4. Okay, so the quarter note equals the beat. Another way to write the quarter note is 4. Quarter. 1 quarter. If you have a pi graph, and you split it up into fours, what do you have? You have a quarter in each part. And 4 quarters make a whole. So each one of these, each quarter is a quarter note. And then if we split it up farther, we would have eighth notes. All right, let's do it for fun. It'll be fun. Fun for everyone. Let's do here, green. See, if we split this up, we would have eighth notes. Okay? All right, well, let's see here. What's another fun color? Purple. All right. A little thicker. All right, so here we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and these are the beats. 1, 2. Here we have double bar line, bar line, bar line, bar line, and these are the bar lines separate the notes into what? Measures. Okay, so here we go. If this is the beat, that's fine. So it goes me, 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 me. Actually, it doesn't. It goes, hey, see, here comes a bluebird in through the window. Hey, diddle dumma day, day, day. So this first measure is not actually even in the song. And let's take a look down here. You can see it's not even there. It's just this area right here. So we'd have beat bar, beat bar, beat bar, beat bar. And actually here too, beat bar, beat bar, beat bar. And let's erase this part here. And let's redo it here. Nice. How about here? Yeah, a little thicker. Okay, so this area is the whole rhythm. So there it is. So it's hey diddle dumma day, day, day. So if I'm doing the whole half note, I would say that if I'm going to count this out, I say 2 for the half note, and that's right here, Mr. Half Note. TT for the quarter notes, rather the 2/8 notes. And I can't get rid of that. See if they'll let me get rid of it. There we go. Okay. So here, this is the half note. It's still 2. Get that skinny. Okay. All right. So now we have this relatively thin, and this is the half note. Half. Okay, so we say, hey, diddle dumma day, day, day. Or with the counting, we say 2, t, 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 ta, ta, ta. But I tell you how most of the way that people do this when we play the circle game is we actually make this note here a quarter note, and then we put a quarter rest there. Do you see that? Okay.
Good morning, Trailblazers. Let's get ready for our senior walkthrough.
Okay, so I have to go out in the hallway for that. So I just want to go over that. So this would be 2, 2, t, t, ta, 2. And let's make this a quarter note. And let's make a quarter rest here. Okay? All right, in the next video, I will record the song and we'll sing it. Okay, thank you.